back, everyone. Now this is our follow-up video to the previous Mickey Mouse Tuxedo Starry Night Beast Kingdom statue. This is the metallic Disney 100 Donald Duck release. So this one, I'm not sure what it's limited to. I'll have a look when I open it up. But this is another one we're going to have here on display and for sale at Collector World. So getting it as quick as you can and try and snap up this if you're a Donald Duck fan. And again, being Disney 100, something you definitely want to get your hands on. So this is called the Platinum version of Donald. So we're just going to pop this one open and see what it looks like. Going by the metallic paint I saw on Mickey, I think this is going to be pretty stunning. The box alone is incredible. Probably doesn't do it justice on the video, but just the box it's released in is awesome. All right. Let's get this open. Okay. Break the seal. I like to open up all four sides and lift it straight off. I've learnt my lesson in the past. Just doing three sides and trying to flip it open can grab or damage the statue if it gets caught. So I like to go straight up and out. That's the best way of doing it from experience because I have broken one before. All right, let's get the base out. Let's have a look at it. Wow, okay. Numbered to 3,000 pieces worldwide. We got 998. That's the number we've got. The base has got like a velvety felt purple Disney 100 pattern all over it, design with the plaque. So there's your base for Donald. Looking good. We'll get the main body out now. And this metallic paint, again, the video probably might not do it justice. Maybe it will with the close-up. But this metallic paint looks absolutely stunning. So remember, these are all hand painted, and considering they're all hand painted, the finish on this is spot on. Absolutely spot on. So there's Donald's body. We'll whack that in here. There we go. Just clips into there. There's a little lug. And then we find Donald's head. There's a certificate in here, just same as what the Mickey one had. All Beast Kingdom statues will have their authenticity certificate. So we've got a beautiful platinum design or platinum paint on the hat. And the rest is all that platinum metallic. So very nice finish by Beast Kingdom. Very impressive. Just got to work out which way the head's got to go. All right. Just bear with me. So I can't see in there because of how tall I am. Let's have a look. Get on my tippy toes for this one. Oh, stop, stop. Okay. His head's slightly that way. Get in the hole. Okay, got it. There we go. It's in the hole. I'll just rotate it around. I'll get a close-up for you guys, but wow. Loving it, loving it, loving it. Loving this release from Beast Kingdom. It's just very nice, quality, finished product. The fact that it's limited, the fact that it's quality, Disney 100, Mickey, Donald, etc., etc. There's more coming out. Got to get your hands on this. Collector World, it's on our website. Both Mickey and Donald available now. Jump on there if you're interested while stocks last. It is very limited. And thank you for joining in. We'll catch up again soon.
I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go wrong. Like you already knew me, that's why we get along. Yeah, I know that this will never go. Ooh, it's cinematic in the way we connected. Girl, you're so familiar, I never expected you to be right in my arms. And my favorite part, how you talk
talk in the dark, oh God, there's
something about the sound of you is stuck in my head. I'm hopelessly romanticizing all that you said. Even though I see that I'm in too deep, I still gotta let you know that I
never wanted anyone more. Falling forwards onto the floor. Feels like I felt this feeling before.
I've seen you in a movie, I heard you in a song. Now I know that this will never go